In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wise to Hubstaff. This is a simple setup process, and once it's done, it can help streamline how payments are handled inside Hubstaff. If you want your payment workflow to run more smoothly, connecting Wise is an important step. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, sign into your Hubstaff account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, look for the Financial section in the navigation menu. This is where Hubstaff keeps payment-related settings and tools, so that's where you'll start the connection process. Once you're in Financials, click on Get Started. This will guide you into the Payment Setup area. If this is your first time working with payment settings in Hubstaff, take a moment to look around so you understand where everything is located. It can make future updates much easier. Next, click on Payment Workflow. This section is specifically designed for setting up and managing the way payments move through Hubstaff. It's where you connect supported payment providers and control how your team or contractors get paid. After that, click on Hubstaff Payment Providers. Here, you'll see the list of available services that can be linked to your account. This page acts as the connection hub for payment integrations, so if you ever need to review or change your setup later, this is the place to come back to. Now, find Wise in the list of payment providers. Once you see it, click on the plus sign next to Wise. That plus icon is what starts the connection process and tells Hubstaff that you want to add Wise as one of your active payment methods. At this stage, you'll be prompted to log into your Wise account. Enter your account credentials on the Wise login screen and complete the sign-in process. Be sure you're using the correct account you want linked to Hubstaff, since this connection will be used for your payment workflow. If you're asked to approve the connection or confirm permissions, review the information carefully and continue. Once you've logged in successfully, the connection should be established. After that, it's a good idea to double-check that Wise now appears as a connected provider inside your Hubstaff payment settings. That way, you can be confident everything is linked properly and ready to use. And that's it. You've now connected Wise to Hubstaff.